everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today we will be going with grammar guide for our SAT English standard. There are some type of questions in our SAT which probably question you about some subject verb agreement or some grammar, sorry. So for that it's a video that I like to create for you guys so you guys don't make any type of mistake while you solve these questions. So the many things that we need to learn for the grammar, but the very first thing is the subject verb agreement. What is a subject verb agreement? It's a convention of standard English. It's something that a subject and a verb should have an agreement, or should actually agree in number. For instance, if I say Rina are single, so Rina are single won't look good, won't look good. Or probably when you hear the sentence, you'll probably think that it's grammar grammatically incorrect, and that's particularly right, because Rina is a singular and are is a verb which is plural, so they both are at incorrect situation and they do not make an agreement together. Well, when I say Rina is angry or whatever I said before, so here Rina and is both are singular, so they do make an agreement. So singular make an agreement, plural do make an agreement. So here example is given that incorrect is apples is different from oranges, which is incorrect because apples is plural, is what it is a plural, and apples are different from oranges is the correct sentence, right? So yeah, this is the same thing. How do we identify subject verb agreement questions when it comes? So in test based questions, what will happen, they'll just ask you to see what could be, they'll tell you to identify standard English conventions, and they will won't tell you that this question is particularly for subject verb agreement or other grammar stuff. So you need to look forward ki bhai subject and verb are agreeing to the situation, or they're making an agreement or not, right? So just look into the subject and verb. For instance, let's just solve this one. When a fire burns red or green, blue, the color of its flame turns the chemical composition. So I have different thing that I said. Flames is what? Flames is a verb here, a different thing. And when a fire, it's talking about a fire. So fire is a subject. So it's what? Singular. So indicates fire. We should also know this कि हमारे पास when we have a singular um, subject, it always uses a verb which has s in it, you know like for instance, fire indicates. It will be never fire indicates. And if it's fires indicate, so if it's plural, we'll go for the with the no s, but if it's a singular, we'll go with that. So indicates will be the right answer for this, right? Check. Correct. Okay. And then what can make subject verb agreement errors difficult to spot? Sometimes, the pretty example that we took, like apple is and apple are, is very easy. We even 5 class student can understand that thing, but the questions are very difficult when it comes. So we need to be, a bit more advanced and be cautious. So what could be there? So there could be some of the types, it might try to confuse you. Like for instance, it might ask you, Istanbul, the most populous of all European cities, were founded in the first millennium, the BC. Okay, अब here Istanbul is the verb, is a word, it's a subject, and were founded is something, it's a word, it's a verb. Okay, so there's this information given in between which actually helps the best to lose the track. So there's a lot of information going on, so you probably not focus on the verb and the subject. So for instance, were founded is a wrong thing because Istanbul is singular, so it would be was founded, right? So this extra information can do its best work to lose you the track. And so there will be these extra information between the sentences, and there could be some inverted examples. For instance, separating the roads were a concrete medicine. Separating the roads. So in these sentences, the verb, this, the main verb comes before the subject, so it actually one way or another confuses the person. So subject, the roads is singular things. Yeah. So separating roads were a concrete median. Separating the roads was a concrete median is the correct one. Why? Let's explain that. That the plural noun roads comes right before the helping verb was and verb, but it's not the subject. You think that roads is the subject here? No, no. Um, mm, the subject here is median. ठीक है, it was a concrete median. You probably think because वो पहले आ रहा है, so we think that roads is the this thing, the subject, but median is actually the subject. So there's time that they probably flip the subject and verb, so we need to be very alert while solving these. So the pro tips will be place a subject and verb side by side. For instance, if it's apples are, so apple is, try to read them together. If it makes sense, then go for it. And look for prepositions. Then this is the same thing that I already told. So let's just solve one of them, and then let's just go. Okay. It says a Neapolitan pizza was made with San Marzano tomatoes. Okay, it's talking about a pizza which is our subject. Tomatoes is considered more traditional than is considered will be the answer. Have been, are considered, won't be an answer. Correct. We'll solve one more now. The sum of money one donates to register. The sum of money one donates to register non-profit organization is a deduction that can made. Acha represents. Okay, it's talking about money. Represents. I guess represents. Represent. I think it's what is the sum of money. I don't know. I guess represent will be the answer. Yeah, because here sum is our verb. Is our subject, so it will have the represents. Let's solve one more.